So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a Payee on the KOHO Financial application. So once the KOHO app is opened up, at the bottom you have Home, Accounts, Payments, and Explore. Go ahead and press Payments. Once you're here, three options down, it says Pay Bills. Go ahead and select that. Once you want to go ahead and pay a bill, you have to, of course, add a payee. So where it says you have no payees yet for me, go ahead and press Add a Payee in the middle. Once you're here, you can actually go ahead and search up the payee and then select them. So for example, if I wanted to do TELUS, I'll just type in TELUS right here. Once you're here, you can scroll down and see what you're looking for. So telecommunications, if you wanted to select that as a pay, you can. You can change the name as well as type in the account number, which is important. So once that is done at the bottom, it'll say add a pay. Go ahead and select that. And then when you're actually going to add a pay right here, it'll show up under pay a bill as a payee that you can place or that you can pay. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to add a payee on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.